Hello students, in this tutorial we will quickly see the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula and then we will write a MATLAB code implementing it. So as we already know that the Lagrange interpolation formula gives us a unique polynomial p n x that agrees the function, that is the original function, at the distinct point x0, x1 till xn. So if there are n plus 1 distinct point, we know how to find out the Lagrange interpolation polynomial. So there is another way, that is Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, that provides the same p and x with the different representation. So in this video we will learn about the Newton's divided difference interpolation, like how we find out this Pn with the different representation. So in the divided difference, it is represented the polynomial Pnx, which is the approximate polynomial for this f of x. We can write it as this, where a0, a1, a2 till an are some appropriate constant. Now how we can find out these constants? It's simple, that if we put x is equal to x0 in equation number 1, suppose that I put x is equal to x0, you can clearly see that what I'll get p n x naught is equal to a naught. Other terms will got 0, because x is equal to x naught, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, and so on. Now you know that p n x naught is same as f of x naught, because you already know that this polynomial satisfies fx at these distinct points. So p n x naught is equal to f of x naught. So now again, if you put x is equal to x1, we will find out a1, and this is called as the first divided difference, and we represent it like this. This is called as first divided difference. Okay, so now following in the same way, you can find out a2, a3, a4 till an. So this is pn for two values, like a0 is this and a1 is this, and so you can find out a2 by putting x is equal to x2 and so on. So finally you will get this. This is your polynomial which you obtain from applying the Newton's divided difference interpolation. Now if you see, you can create a table for finding out these divided difference easily. So how we can find out table? Suppose that you have these two datas x and you have a corresponding value y. This is nothing but this is y0, this is my y1, this is my y2, this is my y3, this is y4, this is y5. So I have these points, these 6 data points, and I want to find out the finite differences with the help of the table. So it's very easy. You can see that what we need to do for the first divided difference, just subtract this with this and divide this minus this. So you will get the first divided difference, this minus this divided by this minus this. Similarly, here you can find out this minus this divided by this minus this, this minus this divided by this minus this, and so on. For the second divided difference, what you need to do, you need to subtract this minus this and then divided by, now we will divide one leaving 1. So this will be this minus this divided by this minus this, then this minus this divided by this minus this, and so on. And after that, the third divided difference can be found out by subtracting this minus this dividing by, now we have to leave 2 points, and then it will be x3 minus x0 and so on. So this is simplest way to use the table to find out the divided difference rather than memorizing the formulas for it. So so now we will illustrate this with an example. So these are the data points which are given. At x is equal to 1, we have the value of y as this, as 1.3, this 1.6, this at 1.9 we have this, at 2.2 we have this. Now we have to use the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula to find out the polynomial approximating this function f of x and which satisfies at these points. So first of all, we create the divided difference table. This you can see, this minus this divided by this minus this, you will get this. Again, this minus this divided by this minus this, you will get this, and so on. You know how to find out the now divided difference table, so you can find out. And finally, you will put this in your equation number this. So if you found out this, you will see that you will get a polynomial like this. Now suppose you want to find out, like in Lagrange interpolation polynomial, you know that you can find out the value at any unknown points also. So here you can see that if I want to find out the value of the function f of x at 1.5, so what I can do, I can put 1.5 in my approximating polynomial p. So if I put 1.5, I'll get this value. If you put 1.5 in this polynomial, you will get this. Now there are few advantages of this method over the Lagrange interpolation. The first is adding the new points do not like we do not have to recalculate all the coefficients. And the second is this is much faster than the Lagrange interpolation. So now we will move on to the MATLAB code. So this is the MATLAB code for the Newton's divided difference interpolation. So here I have taken the same data as I have shown you in the example. This is my x point and this is my corresponding y values. So now I want to approximate the value at x is equal to 1.5. So this is n is taking the maximum size of x. For this case it will be 5, and then what it is doing, it is calculating this part is mainly giving a variable d the same value as y. It is doing nothing, just it is creating another variable in which d11 will be same as this, d21 will be same as this, d31 will be same as this, and so on. And this part is calculating the coefficients a0, a1, a2, and so on, like it is creating a divided difference table. And in this portion of the for loop, it is just summing up all the things like we saw in this equation. So firstly, it is generating all the a naughts, a1s, a2, and so on, and in the final loop it is summing up everything. So finally our answer will be collected in this variable sum. So when I run this program in the MATLAB, I entered the point as 1.5 and I get the value as 0.5118. So now let us copy paste this code in the MATLAB and see the output over there. So I have copy pasted the code in the MATLAB and now let's run it. So when I press this button run, this program is asking enter the point at which you want to evaluate the polynomial. So it's 1.5. Now when I press enter, you can see that this is the divided difference table which I obtained, which is same as I have shown you, and this is the divided difference iterated value, which is again the same as I have shown in you in the example. So this was all about the Newton's divided difference interpolation polynomial. Thank you.